In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add voiceover in Doodly. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Adding voiceover tracks and sound effects is a critical step in producing engaging and professional-looking videos with Doodly or any similar animation software. Doodly actually offers users the option to input audio files or even record their own voice directly in the actual timeline. So all that you have to do is first, you can record a voiceover directly inside of Doodly. On the timeline, click on the plus sign at the bottom left corner of the screen as I've highlighted here, besides the microphone icon. Immediately upon clicking on this, your microphone will ask for permissions, and if you grant Doodly permissions to use your microphone, you will be able to record your voice. So you can click on the red microphone icon and start talking on your mic, and it is going to be immediately recorded and added into the timeline. You can click the red square icon to stop the recording, and once you save this project, the recorded audio is going to become available for use within the sounds library, and it can be applied to any other Doodly video that you create. You can delete it by clicking the X icon on the timeline, and if you ever want to upload a custom voiceover or sound that you recorded elsewhere, all that you have to do is click the music note icon at the top left corner. This will take you to the sounds page, and now you can click the plus sign to add a custom sound. Now all that you have to do is browse through the files on your computer and upload a custom voiceover or audio track. Immediately upon selecting it, you will be able to drag it into the timeline and manage it as you wish. You can make it shorter, make it louder, you can control the audio, control the distortion, fade in, fade out, and so on. It is extremely simple to use, and you will be able to manage the audio altogether. I hope I was able to help you on how to add voiceover to Doodly. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.